Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class children. Today we are going to discuss about the periodic property of periodic table is ionization energy. So what is meant by ionization energy? The energy required, ionization energy is the minimum energy required to remove electron from the gaseous atom in its ground state to cation. So we are going to remove an electron, that is loosely bound electron from the valence electron. So the ionization energy is nothing but the minimum energy required to remove the valence electron from the neutral atom to become cation. The ionization energy otherwise represented as ionization enthalpy. The enthalpy is nothing but energy, and then it can be expressed in the form of unit kilojoules per mole. One energy required to remove 1 mole of the electron need the kilojoules energy. So this is the definition for ionization energy. Ionization energy is nothing but the energy, minimum energy required to remove loosely bound electron. Now we are going to see the variation of ionization energy in the periodic table. So the atoms are arranged in the periodic table as increasing order of atomic number. You can see the horizontal rows are called periods. The horizontal rows are called periods, and the vertical column, the vertical columns are called groups. In both the way, the atoms are arranged in increasing order of atomic number. You can see that hydrogen has atomic number 1 and helium has 2 and lithium 3, boron 4, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10, like that. If you compare the atomic number along the period increasing order, and down the group hydrogen, lithium, sodium 11 and potassium 19, like that, increasing in the atomic number. But there is a variation in the ionization energy. While compare the ionization energy along the period, the ionization energy is increasing. The ionization energy is increasing while compared along the period. And if you compare down the group, it decreases. Down the group it decreases. So why there is a variation in the ionization energy even though the atoms are arranged in increasing order of atomic number in both the way along the period as well as down the group? Why there is an increase in ionization energy along the period and decreases ionization energy down the group? So why there is a difference in the variation? Why there is difference in the ionization energy? Along the period, the ionization energy increases. Why there is an due to decrease in atomic size. Due to decrease in atomic size of an atom along the period, even though they are arranged in an increasing order of atomic number, what is going to be decreases? Because of all the valence electrons are enter into the same energy level. Now we will see that why there is a decrease in size of an atom. Due to decrease in size of an atom, the ionization energy is increasing. So now we will compare the second period element. Lithium, atomic number 3, 1s2, 2s1. Next element beryllium, Beryllium atomic number 4, 1s2, 2s2. Next element, boron 5. The electronic arrangement 1s2, 2s3. And boron, next carbon 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So here 1s2. So for boron 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Then carbon 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 2, 4, 6 electron. Here 2, 4 plus 1, 5 electron. Nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 4 plus 3, 7. So now you see this, these are the element belongs to periodic table. And then fluorine, oxygen 8, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So these are all the elements belongs to the second period. See the in a valence shell, the valence shell are enter into the second energy level even though the number atomic number increasing from 3 to 8. So but all the there is no change in the valence shell, all they are enter into that same energy level. Now you can see this, if you go for the electronic structure for lithium, the first energy, two electrons. In the first energy level, 2 electrons, and then in the second energy level, 1 electron. And this is for lithium. Next beryllium, beryllium 4, so 2 electron in the first energy and then 2 electron in the second energy. Now you compare with the oxygen. Oxygen 8, so 2 electron in the first energy and 6 electron in the second energy level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now compare this. So the atomic number increasing, but they are enter into the same energy level. So there is a force of attraction between the electron. There is a force of attraction between the electron and the innermost part of the atom, that is called nucleus. In the nucleus only the positive charge particles are present. So there is the attraction between the positive charge particle of proton and the negative charge particle of the electron. So there is the distance between the, so all the electrons are, all the atoms are enter into the same energy level, but the number of electron increasing. Here the valence electron, the valence shell contain only 1 electron, here 2 electron and here 6 electron. So while compare the force of attraction between the electron and the nucleus, the force is the greater Here the number of electron is more, so the force of attraction is greater when compared to 1. Understand? So the electrons are going to moving towards the nucleus, moving towards the nucleus. So the attraction is more and the size is going to be reduced. The size is going to be reduced, and if they are more attracted towards the nucleus, very difficult to remove the electron. So ionization energy is nothing but the minimum energy required. So we need only minimum energy. So here we want to spend maximum energy for removal of electron, so that the ionization energy is increasing. And here the minimum, I will compare this, here the minimum energy. So while compare this, the ionization energy is increasing along the period. Now children, we are going to compare the ionization energy down the group, first group element. Hydrogen 1, 1s1, then lithium 3, 1s2, 2s1, then sodium 11, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Now you see 11, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11. Next to potassium. Potassium 19, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 10, 12, 3p6, 18, then 4s1. And now listen children, so now we are going to compare the atoms down the group. So first group of the first period hydrogen, and then second period of the first group lithium, third period, fourth period, like that they are enter into the new energy level, new period, so that what is increasing, the energy shell is going to be increased. Now you see that valence shell, this is first energy level, and the second element is second energy level, and the third element third energy, and the fourth energy. What is increasing? The energy shell. Energy shell is going to be increasing. So the distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost electron is increasing, so that the size of an atom increasing. Now you see this electronic structure for so lithium. So how many in lithium? First energy 2 electron, and in the second energy 1 electron. Next we are going to compare with the sodium. See, sodium has 3 energy level, 1, this first energy, second energy, and then third energy. And now you see the number of electrons, 2 electron in first energy, and then second energy 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electron, and then third energy level only 1 electron. Now you see that distance between the center of the nucleus and the outermost shell, what is increasing? So the atomic size is increasing. If the size increases, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electron is decreasing. We can able to remove this electron easily when compared with this, because here the valence electron is very close to the nucleus, so the force of attraction is greater. If you come to sodium, the force of attraction is less because they are away from the nucleus. So while compare the ionization energy down the group, the ionization energy decreasing. The ionization energy is decreasing while compare the size of an atom. Now you can see that so now the ionization energy decreasing down the group due to increase in the size of an atom. Increase in size, we required very less energy. You can compare, see this here, the size of an atom. Now you see this size from down the group, the atom, if you compare down the group, see this, the size is going to be increasing, and then along the period, now you can see this here, along the period the size of an atom decreasing, because this is fourth period, means all the valence electrons are enter into fourth energy level. So the force of attraction increasing, the removal of electron is difficult, so they need more energy to remove the valence electron. So the based on the size, the ionization energy can be compared. So along the period the size is decreasing, so that ionization energy increasing, and down the group the size is increasing. While increasing, the force of attraction is going to be less, so we can able to remove the electron easily, so that the ionization energy is decreasing. So these are all about the ionization energy, one of the periodic property of the periodic table. Thank you.